Here's a quick tip on reviews. Reviews are so important. A crazy stat from a Bright Local survey found that 98% of us will read a review before we make a purchase. So really important that you're always asking for reviews. And what I'm about to show you will be an easier way for your customers or clients to leave you a review. So on your Google Business profile, you've got an Ask for Review. Just click on that. It'll give you a short link. Copy that. Search online for a free QR code generator. This one's from Adobe. Paste that link in. That generates a QR code. Then you can style it, or you can change the color of it. And then once you've done that, download it. Once you've got it, then add that to a business card, or if you're a service-based business and you're visiting people's homes, then maybe have an image of it on your phone, and then you can just show that to them and let them scan it from your phone. If customers come to you, then maybe you're a hair salon or beauty salon, then maybe laminate a copy of this, place it at the reception where people check out, and again, makes it easy for them to scan the code and leave you a review before they leave. So there you go, a quick tip on making it easier for your customers or clients to leave you a review.